Hello again everybody and welcome back to Everything Retro. Okay, what am I doing today? Right, I'm going to put the black side mouldings on and get them all fitted on. The seal, I'm just going to leave it as it is. I was going to rip it all back down. The wife says, leave it, you spent too much time on it. Yes, we don't want to throw any more money into the car. We just want to basically do the welding, which we've done, to help it on for the next owner, so they don't have to worry about doing the welding. So the only other jobs we'll need doing on it will be tires and stuff like that for the next owner. So we're only just trying to get it so it's mobile, so it can go onto a trailer. The next owner can put tires on it and then get it MOT'd. So that's about it. So I'm just going to put the mouldings back on. I've cleaned all the clips up the best I can. I'm going to mix up some 2K glue and stick them on. Right, so this is my moulding. As you can see, there's a little plastic grommet there. I've only got the one, so I'm now using a nut and bolt, small nut and bolt for that one. That'll go on there like that. So before I can put that on, I've cleaned up all the clips, got all the excess glue off. So I'm going to get these all stuck up ready onto the white clips. I stick them onto the white clips, then I'm just going to dab my 2K glue on them and away I go, and hopefully it should stay there. So right, I'll get all that done because it's our job trying to do it with one hand, and then I'll fit it, and yeah, hopefully it'll stay on. Right, see what we can do. Right, I just got the moulding on for a minute. Now I've got one of these little rubber grommets here. This one's a bit naffed, really, a bit broken, and I've lost the other one. I can't find it, so I've just got a tiny little nut and bolt and screw. Well, a little screw with a nut on the end, just right at the back there, and it's just long enough. I'll just dab a little bit of black paint on it. Ain't gonna flipping notice that much really. And I'll stick some grease on the back of the thread to stop it rusting. So I'm just gonna, like I said, get this 2K'd on and get that one done, and then we'll move on to the next one. Right, let's get it done. Is that recording? Yeah, it looks like it. Right, let's get me glue on there. Nice good dab of glue. I'm going to do that. That was naughty. Yeah, it would be a naughty as well. Right. Let's get the bottle on then. Takes about 5 or 10 minutes to do it. Just long enough to annoy me even more. Try this one a different way. I'm gonna have to make some more up. Ain't gonna be enough here. Definitely not gonna be enough. Oh, that one might happen. Right, it's another day again with bloody wind. Tripod fell over. Camera fell straight into a puddle of water, so I don't know, hopefully the camera will be alright. Still working at the moment, so Right, well the main thing is I got one on, I just got to make some more glue up, do the other one. So I'm not going to actually film it, I'll just film it after it's been put on. Okay, right, well it's all on there. At the moment I've just got holding it all into place, putting pressure on it to keep it tight. It wasn't as easy this one as that one. That one's more easier to do. This one's a bit more of a pain in the ass. So I will pull the masking tape off as soon as it goes hard. I'm not going to leave that on overnight, because if we get rain and then say it's rain tonight and then it comes out a bit sunny tomorrow, this stuff is an absolute nightmare to get off if you leave it too long on a car. Especially when it gets wet and then gets the sun shining on it, it dries out and it's an absolute nightmare to get off masking tape. So I'm just going to let that dry hard. Give that a, I don't know, I'll probably give it an hour or something, and then I'll come back, pull it all off, and hopefully it'll be hard. Alright, let's peel this off and see what's happened. Ah, this is right. Yeah, I thought it might get a bit funny on there. Come on. Hopefully this is stuck all right. Seems to be on there. A bit tight there. Not very tight there though, but it's gone on. A few bits gone on. Right. Time for this one now. Right. Let's see what happens on this one. Looks better with his mouldings back on. Come on. Masking tape on takes forever to go off. It seems to be on there. And there's my little screw I put in. Oh, where am I? There we are. Just tiny little screw I put in. Let's hold it in place. But yeah, it seems to be on there. Yeah, I'm pulling it and it seems to be all on there. That looks better now it's got the mouldings back on. It does look better. Yeah, so that's another job done. Just got to get all this mucky cobwebs off and reline this. There's a drop there, a gap in it there, so this just needs doing. And resetting back up. It's only that side, the other side's fine. Right everybody, right, we're trying to do the bumper. Right, now unfortunately this is completely rotten. The metal inside is completely gone, it's gone out of shape. Like I said, I don't want to buy anything for this car if I can help it. Unfortunately, the bolts snapped. So we've managed to get one out with a pair of more grips. The other one we've had to drill out, but we do have a thread still. So we've got those. So what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and see if we can get this back on the car and get that to, I don't know which way it goes, that way, maybe, I don't know which way it goes, slide back in. But I'm wondering to put maybe a cable tie around it to keep it tight. Because it's, even though it's quite stiff still, but it is totally out of shape. Bend it, but it is out of shape. So I don't know, we'll try something to get it back on there. The next owner will have to, I don't know, replace these. This one's completely gone. I don't know about the other side, but this one's completely gone. But let me show you inside here. It's absolutely perfect. Nothing wrong at all. The panel there, you can just about see inside. It's all perfect. Apart from the cobwebbers, it's all perfect. And like the cobwebbers up here when you're coming down, and all round in there, it's all perfect. The underneath of this car is excellent. That was the only bit of welding what needed doing on this car, and that's because it was up against that little wall just there. And it happened exactly the same on my 75. When my 75 was parked out there, because it's closer to the curb, for some reason it rots the bleeding seals. I don't know why. Damp, maybe, I don't know, but it just seems wrong. But yeah, as you can see, the mouldings are all on. They've all stayed on overnight. So, but the main thing is, at the moment, we're trying to sort something out about this. So we're gonna, like I said, I got stainless steel. I didn't really want to use these actually, because I ain't got very many of them left. I use them for my motorbikes and stuff like that. These are stainless steel, so I'm just going to use some washers and screw them in, some Allen key jobbers, and give it a go, see what we can do. Right, I'll come back hopefully when we got something achieved. Right, well, we've managed to get this done, but unfortunately this thing is completely had it. So it'll all go with the car. They just need new ones. What we've had to do is put a nut and bolt in down on that one, just about see it. I've used one of my fancy Allen key jobbers, which is stainless steel, and I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? Where are we? Oh my god, right up in there. It's our job trying to see. There it is. We've cable tied it into place because we tried to use this thing, and what it did, it just, this bumper just would not sit. It sat out all the way out here. It was absolutely pathetic. It wouldn't sit nice and flush, but that's not going anywhere now. So I'll just leave the cable tied dangling. I ain't worried too much about chopping it off. But as you can see, there's no rot in this car at all. It's absolutely good. So whoever takes the car on should be well chuffed with it. I mean, we've had to, like I said, cable tie it. There's just the cable ties in the back there. But yeah, it's all okay. It'll do. Right, that's that. Let's go on and get something else done. Right, so that's that all put back together. The cover is all back in. Screws are a bit rusty, but they still screwed in. Everybody's watched, commented, subscribed. Thank you very much. Keep them coming, boys and girls. I need as many people as possible. Ta-ta for now. Bye-bye.